About time to do the interior on the Impala. So, see how I got the seats out, or the back seat been out. Wires everywhere for all the music and airbags and stuff. Clean that up a little bit. Got the passenger front seat out. Getting ready to pull the carpet out of it. You see it's in bad shape. Been cleaning on the door counters a little bit. Still got a little work to do. Cleaning on the dash some. Pull the center console out first. You see I got the new carpet over here in the sun. Laid out. Trying to get some of the wrinkles out of it from the shipping box. So, y'all stay tuned. Take all my trim out. Get all that out the way. Alright guys, so I'm about to take the shifter knob off. Put it back in drive, make it easier to get to. Let me see this pin right there. Get a little screwdriver and take that out. Alright, once you get that out, shifter knob comes straight off. Gotta take my air ride switches off. Alright, so I take these two screws up right here. And the center console should come out. Alright guys, so I got the center console out. Take these two covers off. The fiddle head screwdriver. Alright guys, so I got all the carpet out. So this car got an old school flip out radio with the pioneer with the head unit. That's why you got all these wires. It's old school, about 10-15 years ago. So I'm gonna put a double DIN in it. I got the most of the parts, but I hadn't figured out what I'm gonna do about the door speakers and the speakers in the back tray, and if I'm gonna put the subwoofers back in. So not really ready to do the music system yet, so I want to go ahead and get my carpet and my seats in. So I think I'm gonna just snatch all this out and come back and put that, figure out what I'm gonna do when I put my new system in. Just take all this out so it won't be holding my carpet up. Alright guys, so I got my wires cleaned up a little bit. Took my battery cable wire inside my wire holder. And my airbag wires inside the hole over there. Still got a couple wires up here that I'm gonna need for the TVs. I'm gonna hook those back up. So now I'm gonna get ready to cut the carpet and lay it in. I got the old carpet laid on the new carpet. I'm gonna do that for a reference for my shifter. So what I'm gonna do is just cut a slot in it first and put it in and cut it out more precise. Got the carpet laid in. Got a couple weights holding it in place. I want to just take my time and keep fitting and fitting and fitting before I do any cutting. I don't want to cut it too short, so just keep trying to get the wrinkles out and get it to sit in place. All right, guys, slowly getting it laid down. I put my nuts on where the seat bracket go, just to hold the carpet in place as I work it. It started raining last night, so I pulled off of it. Back on it this morning. Still fitting. Started doing a little bit more cutting. I'm trying to get it finished up today. Alright guys, I done got to a point on the carpet. I'm ready to put the seats in. See how the carpet gonna lay onto them. You see I reupholstered the seats. I was gonna film that, but just got busy working on them and just never turned the camera on. I got all the seats recovered. So keep working.